convert text to number and back. So when you're working in Excel again, if you export maybe your statements from maybe you get data from your bank statement where you convert it maybe to as in the receiver file as CSV file. So the numbers sometimes they come in as text instead of as a number. So like if I highlight this to here, can you see here it's giving me a count and not a sum. But in accounting, remember you want a sum because you want actually to have addition or multiplications or subtraction of your numbers. So if it's like this, you can't do anything with it. So how do you fix it to become a number? So for you to convert text to number, the first thing you need to do, select the range. So we're going to hold on the 50,000, hold your shift and your control, and then your down arrow. We've selected everything. Can you see here, there's a triangle here. Just click on it. So if I click on it, it's telling me the story to say this number is stored as text. But you can, then the solution is next to it, convert into number. So if you click that convert to number, can you see it then converts it to number. But can you see our total here is now there's got hashes. So that means it's not fitting in the cell. So how do we fix it? Let's sit between the Q and the R until our cursor is a thick cross and then double click. Can you see there's our 224. So let's just format our numbers again to make sure that they are with this comma formatting. So you go here, this section, the general number format, and then just select everything from 50,000 shift control down, and then we click on the format. There we are. So we got our numbers as a formula. Then how do you convert it back? If you want to convert maybe like here for the IDs, can you see if the number is more than 10 in Excel, it gives you as a decimal. But we know our IDs are 13 digits. Like this 75, you can see it's 750325181. But if you want it to be visible, how do you do it as a number? So we need to convert this because it's a number, but we need to convert it as text. Because anything above 10 is better to identify it as text. So how do you do it? We go to click on the data tab on top, and then onto the next, we click text to columns, and then we go click next. When you must make sure it's on the deleted, and then click next, and then next again, and then we check the checkbox next to text, and then click finish. Can you see now? Now we've got our ID as a full 13. So you can actually see the number as it is. So this is how you get your numbers from text to number and number to text.